Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will today teach you about how to learn SQL on insurance, banking or employee database for lab exam, especially on Xampp software. Okay, on Xampp software in PHP myadmin. So without talking much, let's start. How can we learn insurance, banking and employee database SQL query? I would like to show you some example, like you will able to learn to create query in this type database. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of questions on banking, insurance or banking, insurance or employee. These are the tables and these are the query. Here you can see a query here and the result. So you can create such database and you can exercise your query in w3school.com. After wasting a lot of time, I found this website. Here you can you will have a lots of example and lots of source to exercise query. Here you can see in the left side all the queries are organized in ordered way and with highly informative examples. So using this you will able to learn SQL and exercise SQL and you will be enough on your SQL databases, and there are example quiz, etc. So using this site you can exercise and you can get your skill on banking, insurance and employee database. Thank you all today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.